Yo, what's up, good trailblazers? What if I told you the internet as you know it is about to get a total makeover? The Internet Computer Protocol, ICP, is rewriting the rules and its architecture is so bulletproof, it's practically begging for global adoption. If you're not paying attention, you're about to miss the biggest tech revolution since Bitcoin. Let's send it. Welcome back to the channel where we unpack the future of money, tech, and freedom. I'm your guy Domenico, your hype man for game-changing ideas. And today we're bisecting into why ICP's architecture isn't just cool, it's inevitable. This isn't just some random crypto, it's a blueprint for a decentralized internet that's already turning heads. And if you're new here, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell because we drop bangers like this every day. Already part of the crew? Okay, drop a like if you're ready to ride the ICP wave with me. Let's unpack why this alien tech is unstoppable and why you need to care right now. All right, let's set the stage. Rewind to the 90s. The internet was born, Web 2, connecting the world, but slowly getting hijacked by corporate giants. Today, your apps, data, even your identity are at the mercy of Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. It's like living in a digital dictatorship. They control the servers, the rules, and everything in between. But what if there's a new sheriff in town? Enter ICP, created by DFINITY Foundation. Think of it like the internet's rebellious twin, built from the ground up to be free, secure, and owned by us, me and you, not the suits in the boardrooms. And when people laughed at the internet back in 95, saying you'll never catch on, same vibes with ICP today. But the smart ones, they're already positioning themselves. But why this urgency now? Because in 2025, as we speak, we're seeing big tech stumble, privacy scandals are piling up, energy costs for their massive data centers are through the roof. There's just not enough, and governments are pushing for sovereign tech. Think projects like Israel Nimbus Cloud. Meanwhile, ICP is already live, running apps like OpenChat that are fully decentralized and unstoppable. If you watched my video the other day, how I talked about all the ecosystem apps that are running, the world's waking up, and ICP's architecture is the spark. And if you wait too long, you're not just late, you will be left behind. Let's break down why ICP's architecture makes it a no-brainer for mass adoption. Whether you're new to crypto or a blockchain pro, this will blow your mind. Number one, as you can see, it's a one-stop shop. Unlike big tech platforms for deals like OpenAI leaning on Microsoft for cloud, NVIDIA for chips, or Amazon for storage, ICP's got it all baked into one protocol. As you can see from this pie chart, ICP is the only full integration, making it the world computer. Also, computation happens in canisters with ICP. Think smart contracts on steroids that run entire apps. Storage, fully decentralized. No third party servers, no bridges, no dependencies. 100% fully on chain on the world computer. And for identity, internet identity gives you a secure, private access without the big tech tracking where you own your data and you own your identity and where you're fully in control of it at all times. And for the governments, as you can see, the NNSDAO lets token holders call the shots. Think of it like a global democracy. And that chain fusion tech makes it play nice with other blockchains. This isn't a feature, it's a revolution. True sovereignty, most platforms, even fancy AI ones, rely on corporate clouds. Think about it. AWS pulls the plug, poof, they're gone. ICP runs apps directly on the blockchain. No middlemen, no censorship, no single point of failure, no bridges, and no dependencies. Apps like OpenChat, DSCVR run entirely on ICP. They're autonomous and verifiable. Analogy alert. It's like swapping a rented bike for a jet-powered spaceship that you own and control. Sounds good, doesn't it? And for you tech geeks, here's the kicker. ICP fuses computation, storage, and interface into one layer. So trust lives in the code, no shady server farm. And let's look at this third step, scalability. That slaps. While Ethereum chokes on gas fees and others lean on layer 2s, ICP doesn't need none of that because ICP scales with subnets. Think of them like mini clouds that work together like a perfectly synced orchestra. Each subnets a powerhouse, and you can add more forever without losing coherence. And in 2025, ICP doubled subnet storage to 2 terabytes per subnet. That's enterprise level muscle. This thing's built to absorb the entire internet, just like the Web 8 corporate intranets back in the day. But why is adoption inevitable? Because the world's craving freedom from big tech's grip. Governments, if you watch my video on Sunday about government enterprise adopting caffeine and owning and controlling their own apps, businesses, even DAOs want secure, scalable, and open systems. And with a mass adoption of caffeine AI, which will be inevitable as we kick off to the masses in mid-October, the governments and businesses can own their data and apps fully decentralized. So this is going to be an absolute game changer. ICP is already delivering, and as more nodes and partnerships roll, it's game over for the old guard. Think of it. This sovereign network is infinitely scalable. Now let's get practical, because hype without action is just noise. And here's your playbook to jump on the ICP train. Learn the ropes. Dive into DFINITY's website or developer docs. They're beginner friendly but deep enough for the pros. Understand canisters and subnets. It's your foundation. Invest smart, not financial advice, but do your research. Look at ICP tokens on platforms like Binance or Kraken. Start small, but think big. This is a 5, 10, 15, 20-year play. This is to retire your bloodline. Don't sleep on it. Study, research ICP's potential, and position accordingly. And get hands-on. Develop a spin-up test app on ICP's Playground. It's free and shows its power. Not a coder? Don't worry, because Caffeine AI, which is releasing this month in the middle of October, your taxi driver, the guy next door, anyone using natural language can develop any idea they want and can be part of the ecosystem as a developer and as an investor. So track the pulse, follow ICP's roadmap, node growth, GPU integrations, institutional adoption. Sites like ICP Dashboard give you the real-time data to stay ahead. And pro move, watch how ICP ties into AI and DeFi trends, running AI models on chain without big tech. That's the future, and ICP is definitely ready. Start now, because the early birds get the biggest wins. Let's get loud. ICP's architecture isn't just winning, it's rewriting what's possible. Imagine a world where you control your data, apps can't be banned, and innovation's unstoppable. That's ICP, and it's coming faster than you think. We're talking 10x, 20x, 50x, 100x potential as adoptions explodes. And that is just a matter of time. And if this lit a fire in you like it has for me, smash that like button and let's hit 500 likes on this one. Drop a comment. Are you team ICP or still on the fence? And if you're not subscribed, hit that button and bell, because we're dropping gold like this every day. I'm doing my best to give you the maximum alpha, and share this with your crypto crew still stuck in the crypto fraud and tag them below. Because here's the truth, the internet's at a crossroad. Big tech's grip is slipping, and ICP's architecture is the future we've been waiting for. As you can see, it's a sovereign physical network that's secure, infinitely scalable, and sovereign. Don't just watch this revolution, join it. Thanks for rocking with me today. You're why I do this. And until next time, stay bold, stay curious, and let's build this decentralized future together. Peace out.